Off to? Where are we going?
Santa Maria al Bagno.
Oh, we just have to.
Favourite place.
So we're going all out today. Passeggiata time.
Under your feet.
We've had a few people that have inquired about buying and renting. If you are using our recommendation, we can definitely help you. Just sitting on our roof terrace. Packing day. I think he has more shoes than I do. So how am I emotionally about leaving Casa Mia Salentina this time? It's an egg morning today. Follow us on Casa Mia Salentina Facebook page as well. This is our last drive in the little bambino. Where else am I going to spend my last day here? In my favourite place. On my... We are here at the Quattro Colonne. Now this fort here was here to protect the fresh water supply.
This says had a fondente gelato.
Oh my God. When you can't leave your favourite place.
Too much temper, too much bittersweet.
Benvenuti at Casa Mia Salentina. Today's vlog is a special emotional one. It's our final week here in beautiful Salento and saying goodbye wasn't easy. We're packing our bags, we're visiting our favourite place which we call our happy place. We also share thoughts on Salento's unique lifestyle, the Sunday culture, where families come together for lunch, community and connection. It's Buona Domenica and we're off to, where are we going?
Santa Maria al Bagno.
Oh, we just have to.
Favourite place.
Yeah, just look at those blue skies. Look at that. Unbelievable, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it's, I don't know, I think the air has still got that autumn crisp freshness in it. I am in short sleeves, but I know in the shade it's going to be
Yes,
a lot cooler.
Jumper on, but I am in shorts and shoes.
Yeah, so we're going off just to enjoy these, I don't know, last few weeks, I guess, of beautiful Santa Maria al Bagno before any grey skies or rain come back.
If you're enjoying our content,
Yes, and if so,
hit that like button, give it subscribe, share it, comment.
and don't forget to hype it and let us know where you are in your journey, whether you're just watching for the entertainment, whether you're looking to buy, rent or travel, or meet up with us in 2026.
Keep it simple, keep it sweet. Here's a line I heard somewhere. Feel the ground under your feet. It can take you anywhere. Chasing shadows with you.
So we're going all out today after our lunch. We've had like a, 1 hour passeggiata.
Yeah,
The weather is just incredible today.
glorious day today.
So grateful the cold snap's gone. We are at Cafe de Mar. It's still here at Santa Maria al Bagno, waiting for a cafe, biscotti, and of course pistachio gelato per me.
Too much temper, too much bittersweet. Burning candles on our own. And if we get to where we're going now, we can always come back home. In times of anger, feeling hope.
This is Sunday Passeggiata time. Now we're popping in here today. We've had a few people that have inquired about buying and renting through us by email, and we've sent the recommendations where to go. And then some of you have decided to go to other agents, to other places, and then come back to us asking for some guidance where some things have gone wrong, or you may want your property rented out now that you've purchased it from someone else. Unfortunately, we cannot help you once you go through another agent. So we're just here to tell you that if you decide to choose another agent other than our recommendation, that we cannot help you for the after service or for you renting your property afterwards. So we thought we'd better let you know that here, because we're getting a lot of emails and we've met a lot of people where that situation's happened, and we are not able to help at that point. If you are using our recommendation, we can definitely help you. Just sitting on our roof terrace, enjoying the last few days.
Yeah, but the sun's out.
Yes.
Birds are happy.
Yes. Are we? No, isn't it crazy?
Yeah.
We're not ready to leave, isn't that? It's just, yeah.
I think after 5 months you'd be ready to leave, but
We're not.
no.
We're not ready. But we have started with the washing and the cleaning and all that sort of thing that has to be done before you leave. And before we know it, we will be back again.
Yep. It'll be like we haven't gone.
That's right. That's right. So in the meantime, just taking a breath and just enjoying the sunshine here on the roof terrace. So probably one of our favourite spots here in the Casa Mia Salentina. Okay, so it's packing day, and got everything in. This is what Michael's leaving behind, and I have the exact same size bag, as well as our second luggage. We have a much smaller luggage that we only use when we travel around Puglia itself, and we've got all our toiletries and just last minute things that we're not bringing with us that we're leaving here in that bag. I'll just show you what I mean. So just toiletries and things, paperwork. Now all I've got to decide is, do I bring this to wear in case it's cool on the flight, or do I bring my cardigan? Because the puffer jacket will be staying here, so that's something I have to also pack in that bag over there. And Michael's just got to sort out his shoes. I think he has more shoes than I do. And they're just our clothes for tomorrow. And when we strip the bed tomorrow morning, they will go inside the cover there. And that's pretty much it. So how am I emotionally about leaving Casa Mia Salentina this time round? Well, I've got to say, extremely sad. I'm not ready to go. I don't want to go this time. But Michael had a really good great mindset yesterday. He said, you've got to look at it as you are now visiting Australia. Well, go visit the family, visit the kids, and obviously finalise everything that's in that small 3x3 storage. We've got to get rid of all that now and sort out what we're going to actually bring here. I don't think it's much. Might be maybe 1 or 2 suitcases of some clothes and shoes, and that'd be actually it, because we're not bringing any furniture. We don't have any heirlooms. We're not attached to anything like that. So yeah, it's pretty much going to be easy, that part of the bringing back things here. So yeah, I just want to remember this moment where I'm packing and thinking, I'm sad to leave. Wardrobe is empty, and as are all the drawers now. Everything is emptied. Always got to do last minute checks, make sure we didn't leave anything behind. That's it. So let's sort out this area. We don't always have breakfast cereals. We don't always have croissants. We also have eggs. Very rare here, but we do have eggs for breakfast as well. And it's a great lazy Sunday. So we're having a lazy Sunday late lunch. So I won't call it brunch. And I've already got soup on for dinner tonight. Like a true Italian, I think of dinner in the morning. It's an egg morning today. And soup is on for dinner. Thank you everyone for following us on all our social media pages. We met up with some people the other day that didn't realise that we had a Facebook group. They were recommending that we should have a Facebook group. And we're guilty of that. We forget to mention it here.
We do all the time.
We do forget to mention it. So thank you for the ones that are already there on Facebook. And yeah, we really apologise that we forget to mention that you can follow us on Casa Mia Salentina Facebook page as well. So those of you that aren't on Instagram, or you just find it easier to get on Facebook,
just jump on there and check it out.
You can jump on there as well. This is our last drive in the little bambino, il 500. We are, well, the car will not be returned. They're coming to pick it up for us. So if you do want to hire a car here and you use Alba Auto Noleggio, they will pick up the car, they will drop you off, they will, they're just great service. So let's enjoy our last couple of hours in the car. Where else am I going to spend my last day? Here in Puglia, Salento, in our hometown. In my favorite place on my last day. We are here at the Quattro Colonne. Now there's 4 columns there, probably not be able to see them in that particular shot, but Michael will throw in a drone shot of this. Now this fort here was here to protect the fresh water supply from when the Turks were actually invading here. So it's a very, very important site here, and it's probably, I don't know, maybe 6-7 minute walk from Santa Maria al Bagno. So it's here in the Gelato region in our backyard, literally.
Literally the backyard.
Yes. And now it's an event centre, so they have weddings and functions there. And also to the other side, there's like a cafeteria restaurant.
There is.
With a beautiful view of the ocean. So worth coming to Quattro Colonne.
Sarah.
And Buona Domenica.
And Buona Domenica.
And we just want to say how beautiful it is here on a Sunday, seeing all the families. Everyone's out having their lunches and afternoon passeggiata.
In our favourite place, of course.
Of course, in our favourite place, in our backyard. Don't have to mention it, do we? No, we won't mention where we are. Everyone knows where we are.
If you don't know where we are, ask us. Then we'll tell you.
Ask us in the comments and we'll tell you. It's just beautiful. It's just a beautiful autumn day too, isn't it?
Yep.
Got this golden sun shining.
Mrs. C's had a fondente gelato.
Oh my God!
I've had an espresso and a couple of sweet things.
Well, I also had a tea
and a
to wash down my
biscuit.
Yes, and almond biscotti, biscotti di mandorla. We're just soaking in the sun here.
Getting it while we can.
The water is gleaming, like it's like diamonds, like literal diamonds. But we're just enjoying, I don't know, the lifestyle here. We just keep raving about it, don't we?
That we do.
It's just, it leaves me speechless. Just the family unit and the community. It's just amazing here in the south. It really, really is. But I think it's in all of Italy we see this. Especially the Sunday culture. That's what I'm going to call it, isn't it?
It is the Sunday culture.
Yeah. We're lazing about. We're so relaxed.
You go to sleep now?
Michael's already asleep, so he might have his eyes open talking here and looking at the camera.
The only thing keeping me awake is knowing the fact that I'm sitting on a pink chair.
He hates pink.
There's 2 yellow chairs here, but no, I'm sitting on a pink chair because it's in the sun.
I was sitting on the yellow chair and I swapped for the pink chair because I wanted the sun.
Yeah. Oh well, what do you do?
Nothing. All right, we're going to sign off here. See?
Yeah.
Arrivederci. Arrivederci. When you can't leave your favourite place, the sun's shining, the water looks like diamonds. Look at the pretty, pretty water. I don't want to leave. I love Santa Maria al Bagno.
Too much temper, too much bittersweet. Burning candles on our own. If we get to where we're going now, we can always come back home. In times of anger, feeling hopeless, find that light under the door, build a bridge right to the shore. All that could have been taught